When I do language correction for a lot of research papers, the common error I identify is in references. The reason behind the references, the wrong citation referencing style is normally researchers, they do not have the latest knowledge on the latest development in the research references. In case if you follow MLA 9th edition style, there are a lot of changes have happened. Not much, but some changes have happened. You have to incorporate those things. So I'll be opening a research series of videos from this video onward. This is the first video on that thing. I'm going to talk about how you have to give references for the books, journal article, YouTube videos, magazine, newspaper, because these are the 5 common resources generally the researchers they use for their research. So only I'm going to cover these 5 components in a 5 short videos. So today being the first series in this particular referencing series, I'll talk about the books and in the book, single author, double author, a translated book, an edited book, how you are supposed to do the references in a very simple way. I'm going to tell you. Come and stay with me. Come, let's get started. First, let us see a single author book. You know very well, the second name of the author should come first. First name should come at the end. For example, her name is Angela Davis. So Davis comes first, Angela comes second. After this, there should be a full stop. Because in the references, each and every component is very important. Please kindly make a note. After that, full stop. Then title of the book. The title of the book, only the how it appears in the original title, it has to be maintained. First letter caps only. And this should be in italics, not in the bold. It is in italic. After that, there is a full stop. Then publisher name. This is the Pantheon publisher. After the publisher, there should not be a full stop. Instead, it should be a comma. Then 1998. Kindly make a note, there are no page numbers for the book. You will write only the author and title in the italics. That's what I have given in green. Then full stop, then Pantheon, comma, then a year after that, there should be a full stop. Very importantly, after the second name, there should be a comma, then here full stop. Then after the title of the book, full stop. After the press, there should be a comma. After the year, there should be a full stop. Please kindly make a note of it. Instead of the same book, but it is translated by somebody else. Here, look at this. Senfu, 6 Records of a Life Adrift, is originally written by Senfu, but it is translated by Graham Sanders. So that time, you don't add them in the beginning. You go ahead with the as usual style, Senfu dot full stop, then 6 Records of Life in the italic, then full stop. Then you will add separately a new line translated by the particular person name. No change of reversal order, not second name in first or first name in second. Original order, Graham Sanders. Then there should be a comma. After that, the publisher name, Hackett Publishing, comma, year and full stop. See this after publishing, comma, this is always it comes. Keep it in your mind. After the year, there should be a full stop. This is also permanent. Keep it in your mind. The only thing, if it is a translated book, simply you will add translated by that particular author after that comma. Got it? Now, if it is two author means no at all, only simply you will add and. Here the Doris Michael Doris is the original name. So the second name comes first, Doris Michael. But for the second author, you don't change into the first one like this. It is not like Erdrich Lewis. It should be Louis. It should be same thing, Louis. Here there is no change of order, not in the second name in the first and first name in the second. Whereas in the first author, in the 2 author books, the first author, it has to be changed as normally how you change it. Michael Doris is changed to Doris Michael because second name has to be brought first and first name has to go to the second. Then full stop as usual. Then title of the book as usual. Then publisher Harper Collins publisher. Then 1999 full stop. So in the 2 author book, you need to understand 2 things. One is you will add and, then second author, you don't reverse the order. So these 2 things you should keep in mind. Got it? Then let us go to the more than 2 authors. When you have a more than 2 authors, normally you will add with et al. et al. What does it mean? Look at here, Charan, Rita. See, always kindly remember, when you have a two author, both place only comma. Doris, comma, Michael. Actually, this is Doris, Michael Doris. But don't think that after the second name there should be a comma. After the first name, full stop. No. But this will be the full stop for the only one author book. But when there are two authors, second thing not a full stop, only the comma. Right? And the same thing you have to for more than two authors also. Charan, comma, Rita, and comma, et al. This is very important. Et should be small. There should be a space. Then al. Then after that, full stop. I have seen many people using comma, not comma. It's a full stop. Then as usual, the book name, the principles and practice of narrative medicine, and full stop. And Oxford. And very, very important thing here is University Press no longer mentioned as full as University Press. Instead, it is given as only UP in a short form. Oxford, if it is a Cambridge University Press, Cambridge will be in full form. But University Press is mentioned only UP, not as a full University Press. Kindly make a note of this change. After that comma, then you have to here and then you have to put a full stop. So kindly, I hope you remember that where are the punctuation marks, italics, full stop, comma, changing the order of the author, and single author, two author, and three author, more than two author. And kindly keep it in your mind, because most of the time researcher will use many research books, and always make a note you are following this particular latest 9th edition style. Okay, I'll catch you with the next series in the next video, where I'll talk about journals and how to use the journal article references. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.